Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 KTM 1290 Super Adventure S showroom walk around. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure S stands proudly in a luxurious showroom, a masterpiece of engineering and design. Its striking bodywork, aggressive lines, and powerful stance demand attention, exuding confidence and dominance. The polished floor reflects the machine's sharp details, while ambient lighting accentuates its sleek curves and aerodynamic form. Every element of the motorcycle, from the sculpted fuel tank to the precision-cut frame, showcases KTM's relentless pursuit of performance and innovation. The matte and glossy finishes blend seamlessly, highlighting the intricate craftsmanship that sets this machine apart from the competition. The massive LED headlamp, with its signature split design, stands as a beacon of modernity, illuminating the road ahead with unmatched clarity. The sharp DRLs wrap around the edges, giving the bike an unmistakable presence even in the dimmest conditions. The adjustable windshield adds a layer of versatility, providing riders with optimal wind protection for long-distance touring. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in every aspect of the design, ensuring stability and efficiency at high speeds. The ergonomic seat, sculpted for comfort, invites riders to embark on endless adventures without fatigue. The high-quality materials used in the seat construction reflect the bike's premium nature, designed for both performance and luxury. At the heart of this beast lies a monstrous 1,301cc V-twin engine, a powerhouse that delivers exhilarating acceleration and relentless torque. With cutting-edge ride-by-wire technology, every twist of the throttle translates into seamless power delivery, making the riding experience both thrilling and smooth. The advanced electronic fuel injection system optimizes performance in all conditions, ensuring peak efficiency and responsiveness. This engine is more than just a mechanical marvel, it's a statement of KTM's commitment to pushing the boundaries of adventure riding. The lightweight yet robust frame provides the perfect balance of agility and stability, allowing riders to conquer any terrain with confidence. The WP semi-active suspension system adapts in real time to road conditions, offering unparalleled comfort and control. Whether navigating sharp corners or gliding over rough terrain, the suspension absorbs every imperfection, ensuring a smooth and composed ride. The high-performance Brembo braking system delivers precise stopping power, giving riders the confidence to push limits while maintaining complete control. With cornering abs and traction control, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S offers a safety net without compromising the thrill of the ride. The sophisticated electronics package includes multiple riding modes, allowing riders to tailor the bike's behavior to suit their preferences and the terrain ahead. The state-of-the-art TFT display provides a wealth of information at a glance, with crisp graphics and intuitive controls. From navigation to real-time bike diagnostics, every piece of data is presented with clarity and ease of access. The integration of smartphone connectivity further enhances the riding experience, allowing seamless communication and entertainment on the go. The backlit switchgear ensures effortless control, even in low-light conditions, adding a touch of refinement to the cockpit. Every detail, from the handlebar controls to the finely crafted levers, reflects KTM's dedication to precision and functionality. In the luxurious showroom, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S stands as the centerpiece, commanding admiration from enthusiasts and collectors alike. The ambient lighting casts a dramatic glow, accentuating the bike's aggressive silhouette and premium finishes. The showroom's modern architecture, with its sleek glass panels and sophisticated decor, creates the perfect backdrop for this exceptional machine. The bold KTM 1290 Super Adventure S name shines on the wall, reinforcing the brand's legacy of performance and adventure. The bike's presence is undeniable, a true representation of power, innovation, and luxury. Every component of the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is engineered to perfection, from the lightweight chassis to the high-performance tires that grip the road with unwavering confidence. The meticulously designed exhaust system not only enhances performance but also produces a deep, resonant growl that echoes with authority. The intelligent cruise control system takes long-distance touring to the next level, allowing riders to relax and enjoy the journey without constant throttle adjustments. With keyless ignition and an advanced immobilizer system, security and convenience are seamlessly integrated into the bike's design. Riders who seek adventure will appreciate the bike's exceptional fuel range, made possible by the large-capacity fuel tank and efficient engine management system. Whether traversing highways or exploring uncharted paths, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S ensures that every ride is a thrilling experience. The off-road capability of this machine is unmatched, with a rugged build that withstands the toughest conditions. With rally-inspired DNA, the bike is ready to tackle dunes, gravel trails, and mountain passes with ease. The advanced traction control system adjusts in real time, providing maximum grip and stability in varying terrains. Innovation is at the core of the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S, with cutting-edge technology enhancing every aspect of the ride. The adaptive lighting system ensures maximum visibility in all conditions, automatically adjusting to the environment for optimal illumination. The intuitive quick shifter enables seamless gear changes, reducing rider fatigue and improving performance. The ergonomically designed footpegs and handlebars offer a natural riding position, ensuring comfort on long journeys. The high-strength aluminum swingarm provides superior handling, allowing riders to navigate tight corners with confidence and precision. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure S is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle. It embodies the spirit of adventure, pushing riders to explore beyond limits and embrace the thrill of the open road. Whether carving through mountain passes or cruising on endless highways, this machine delivers an experience like no other. The premium paint finish and meticulous detailing reflect KTM's dedication to excellence, ensuring that every inch of the bike exudes quality. The combination of cutting-edge engineering and sophisticated design makes this motorcycle a masterpiece in every sense. In the showroom, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S continues to captivate onlookers, a testament to the brand's legacy of performance and adventure. The dynamic stance, powerful engine, and advanced technology make it a dream machine for riders who crave excitement and precision. The luxurious setting enhances the bike's presence, creating an atmosphere of exclusivity and refinement. Every element of the showroom, from the ambient lighting to the carefully curated decor, is designed to complement the bike's extraordinary appeal. The name KTM 1290 Super Adventure S displayed on the wall serves as a reminder of the machine's legendary status. This motorcycle represents the perfect fusion of power, technology, and design, redefining the standards of adventure touring. It is built for riders who demand the best, who seek adrenaline-fueled experiences without compromise. From its commanding presence to its unmatched performance, the KTM 1290 Super Adventure S stands as the ultimate expression of freedom and adventure. It is more than a machine, it is a statement, a symbol of relentless pursuit and boundless exploration. In every ride, in every journey, the spirit of adventure comes alive, making every moment on this motorcycle an unforgettable experience. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.